sir. Well done. You'll have seen that driving impressions for the Speed Please are embargoed till next Wednesday at 1 p.m. crew time. However, if you want to socialise your presence here, pictures of you with the car, talk about facts and figures of the car, that's absolutely fine. Please just not what the car is like to drive until next Wednesday. Is that clear? Good. We have lovely photographers here. We'll be producing our own photographs throughout the day, which we'll make available to you after you leave. However, if you want a photograph of yourself, draped across the bonnet, Anthony, we can do that for you. And we've got Mark and Max. If you want to take photography with them, please just ask one of the team.
We'll be able to talk you around the circuit and give you some pointers, obviously give you an idea of where the circuit goes, and obviously talk you through the car should you have any questions. As Wayne said earlier on, what we'll plan to do is we'll do the first 10 minutes, we'll run in the Bentley mode, which is kind of the standard mode, just to give you a sort of an opportunity to feel how great the car is in standard mode and learn the circuit a little bit. And then what we'll do is we'll then we'll have a little break, and then we'll have another 10-minute session. We'll run it in sport mode, so you get a chance to see the changes from the standard mode to sport mode and the benefits that gives. I'd be interested to get your feedback on that. The circuit itself is it's fairly straightforward. There are a few high-speed turns. One of the most notable corners, which is a little bit tricky, is there's a long back straight, and it goes. You can see it goes slightly uphill, which is approaching this corner here. So it's kind of blind as you approach it. It sort of pops up, and suddenly there's a corner there. So again, we'll obviously give you plenty of warning and talk you through it. But as I said, today is not about breaking track records. It's about experiencing the car and enjoying it really. It's our job to make sure you enjoy the car and feel comfortable with it in the circuit, and we'll do our best to do so. What we're going to try and do today is we're going to try and have 4 cars sort of ready to go on circuit. There'll be 2 cars on circuit at any one time.
Yes, I'm Chris Cole, Product Line Director, Bentayga.
Thank you.
Is securing the fastest SUV in the world title again for Bentley that we had when we first launched the car. And with the W12 engine in here, we've just increased the power just enough. We always kept a little bit in reserve so that we could then really push the boundary as far as we can to really demonstrate that speed and grand touring capability of Bentayga. So we're really pleased to hit 306 kilometres per hour as the maximum speed, 635 PS power with 900 newton metres of torque. So it's a very special car. What we've done with the exterior, it's got some unique treatment compared to the standard Bentayga. So all of the spoilers and treatment are unique to this. It's based on all carbon fibre parts. So you'll see different front skirts and the rear spoiler. Unique wheels as well, 22-inch wheels. So it really gives the car a fantastic presence on the road. And for the discerning sort of customer can really see that they've got just enough recognition of having what is the ultimate Bentayga. But then inside, importantly, we've introduced a full Alcantara interior, which really helps with the overall sports feel of the car. So compared to a traditional Bentayga, which is obviously always wrapped in leather, we chose this approach to really emphasise the sporty nature of the car, and it even helps with the driving experience because it really, and you'll notice this when you're on the track, the Alcantara, it's absolutely, it really helps you feel you're sitting in the car. You can still do leather if you want, customers can do that, but we obviously build the car as standard and specify it in Alcantara. And then emphasising the sports nature, carbon fibre treatment on all of the finishers as well. So from a design point of view, we've really tried to subtly show its real sports pedigree, but importantly then the driving experience is what you'll hear today, and Guy and Stephen will talk you through the changes that we've made. But it's got a unique calibration for when you go into the sport mode, so it's got all of the charisma settings that is in any Bentayga. But when you go into sports mode, we've enhanced the sports performance even more by giving it more certainty on the road, so that actually it's got a quicker dynamic response compared to the standard car. It's entirely unique to speed. and the guys on the track will give you a good overview of what that is. But you can still drive the car in Bentley mode, and it's just as refined and comfortable as any other Bentayga. So we're really, really pleased with having that combination. I mean, there's no doubt Bentayga's been recognised as the best performing SUV, and with speed we've gone that extra mile to really enhance the driver experience. So I think you'll really enjoy it today. So please take a look around, and if you've got any questions at any point during the day, or now as well, then obviously we're pleased to take them.
No, exactly the same. So the standard Bentayga will also run at 15 millimeters in sport mode, just like this one, but yeah, this is exactly the same.
Oh, when I pulled that one, I looked down the stock cap.
Right, yeah.
And looked basically like, oh, that's pretty low.
Okay, no, I think it looks a bit lower visually, but it's
Possibly, you know, the
body kit makes it look very yeah, but no, it's a standard ride height. I mean, yeah, again, that was important because you can buy the car with the optional plate pack as well.
Learn the circuit and have a bit of a feel for the car, and then the next run you do, you'll do it in sport mode. So try that one. Okay.
Okay.
Good to go.
Yep.
Yeah. Great. Okay. Just press that. Okay. Perfect. Nothing else come in, so we're all good to go. I'll talk you around the circuit and point things out, anything out to you. So, sort of first corner is quite a tight hairpin. So, start braking about now, Adele, round, and then that's good. And out to you. That's good man, perfect. And then we have start braking about now. Long sweeping right hand corner, so it just kind of sweeps round and then easing the lock off. And this is the tight one, so just start braking about now. Keep it tight to me. What we're going to do is it's going to go keep round to the right. It's going to go really tight left here by this marker. So slow it down a bit more. Slow down. That's good. And it's going to go tight left here, Del. That's it. Perfect. That's the one that catches everybody out because it kind of comes from nowhere. And then tight round to the right here. This is like the tightest part of the circuit. Small straight, and then it goes hard brake into the right. So braking hard, a bit more brakes, that's good. A bit more brakes, that's good. And then this has got a beautiful view. As you come over here, you see all the sea, and it's really pretty. So downhill, and then we're braking now in a straight line. So a bit more brakes, and then round to the left. It's quite tight through here. That's good. That's it. And then we have a nice straight, and then a hairpin. So braking now. That's good. Staying on the brakes all the way up to the corner. Staying on the brakes. Staying on the brake. Bit more brakes. That's good. And then back to me. And then easing the lock off. Back over to the right hand side. Got a tight left hander here, so start braking about now, Del. Staying on the brake, staying on those. I'm just going to keep on going past the next corner. That's the next one, that one there. That's it, great. Perfect. Easing the lock off. Perfect, and away we go. So come into here again, keep going, slight dab on the brake, and then round to you. Perfect, great. And then we're back round to the start again, so we are coming back to that hairpin, that first corner, so keeping to the left, so braking a nice straight line, perfect, staying on the brakes, and then off the brakes and round. Great, perfect, well done. Easing the lock off. And here I have a stab on the brakes, a nice brake, and then off the brakes, just a nice balance throttle through here, keep on going, that's good, and then accelerate onto the straight. Circuit kind of sweeps round. To the right, that's good. Keep on going. And braking about now, Adele. Keeping to the right. That's it. And just as we get
to the top of the hill, it goes sharp left. So still on the brakes now. Perfect. Round to you. Great. And then round to me. Small dab, so slowing it down now a bit more, that's good. We're going to tight right, perfect, good. Good, accelerate we go, over the hill, keep it to the right mate. Keep on going, over the hill. So brake now in a straight line, staying on the brakes, round to the left, good. And then onto the straight. Okay, go. Braking about now, Dale, staying on the brakes, good. Staying on the brakes, right to the corner, staying on the brakes. Oh, off we go. Get back to the right hand side. Okay, so braking now, staying on the brakes, that's it, keep on going, stay on the brakes. Just a bit more brakes, that's good. Round to you, and then back on the power. Powering away. Small brake now and then round to you. Back on the power. Keep on going. Braking now in a straight line. Braking. Into me. And then accelerate. Small dab on the brake, back on the power. Just going to keep to the left of Dale. Just let this car go by. He's just on a hot lap, so that's it. Then free to go. They're just on a hot lap, so perfect. That's great. So keeping round to the right, get the car nice and straight, and then braking. So braking hard now. That's good. Off the brakes, then round to you. That's good, and round to the right. Okay, easing the lock off and braking now, straight line. Off the brake now. Accelerating away over the hill. Braking now, so a bit more brakes, brake, that's good. And then let the car go. Okay, so braking now in a straight line, staying on the brakes, stay on the brakes, a bit more brakes, that's good. And that's it. And then powering away. Perfect. That's great, Dave. If you can make your way into the pit lane, if you follow the orange car, that was good, well done.
Okay.
Very well done.
Bentley pit lane.
Excellent. Yeah, if you don't mind, if you just pull up behind that the orange one, no, that's great, thank you. If you just stop here, that's fine. Well done, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That was good job, well done. And next time you drive, you go into sport mode, and at least then you know the circuit now. So that was good. You drove very well. Thank you.
Thank you.